Well, a good Sunday morning to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. And I hope everybody's having a good Sunday and I hope everybody had a good weekend. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, chilly. I got a sweatshirt on. It was about 41, 42 degrees this morning. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to do us a little product review. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do. All right, Dan, product review. Yes, I get a lot of businesses or companies that get with me offline and like, Dan, can we send something out to you? You check it out and tell all your subscribers on YouTube what you think about it. Now, first and foremost, I have to say that a lot of times when some of these companies ask you to do a review of their product, but they want you to buy it, and then after you do the review, they reimburse you. Nah, old Dan don't go that route. Most of these companies that I deal with are straight up jam up companies and they put out good products. This company called Edeuoey, and I believe that's the way you say it. If not, I apologize because I can't speak good English no way. But this company reached out to me and was like, Dan, we want to send you out one of our products. Would you review it and tell your subscribers what you think about it? So let's go see what it is. Oh, before we go look at it, I'm not sponsored by this company, nor am I being paid to do this video. I just do honest reviews on products that folks send me. All right, here is the name of the company, Edeuoey. I believe that is the correct pronunciation of this company, but this is the company. But what we have inside this bag is one of their compact aluminum folding tables. And I thought this was really, really cool because for one, it's really compact. So let's open it up and check it out. All right, let's check it out. Inside this bag, we have some aluminum rods and the top itself, and that's pretty cool. They all fold into each other and they have some like rubber band type things to hold everything in place. Okay, I like that. Let's fold this guy out. All right, this guy folds out, folds this way, and one folds there. So that is the base of your table. That's pretty neat. All right, let's see if we can get this top installed. That's pretty cool how they fold into each other, real nice and compact. Let's see, I want to say that it goes this way and they should snap down. There you go. Can't get any more simpler than that. Yeah, I like that. All right, that was pretty dang simple, Dan. That looks like a nice table, and I have to agree. It's a really nice little compact aluminum folding table. But Dan, what are you going to use yours for? Let me show you. I'm going to use mine for that right there. Hee hee. All right, Dan, now that you done put it up, how easy is it to take apart? Let's check that out. Really easy. All right, Dan, you are finished drinking blue cans for the day. Let's take this thing apart, and it's super simple. Just gonna pop this top off, just like so. Gonna fold this guy up, put our little rubber band things on here to hold them together. Set that to the side. We're gonna take our base, and we are gonna undo it just like that, fold it up, let these guys drop down such as that, and we are gonna shove our top in this bag. The bag has two different compartments. You probably can't see it because it's a black bag, but anyways, we're gonna shove our base down in there, and right on the other side we're gonna shove our tabletop. That's what the inside kind of looks like. Put them in there. Maybe you can see that. See it? Got 2 different little compartments. Cool. Do up our drawstrings, and this guy is ready to go for the next time that I want to use it. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. A product review of the Edeuoey aluminum table. Small, compact, kind of like a camping table. I'm gonna tell you that I like it. All I'm gonna say is that thing is really, really compact, and it's something that you could throw in the back of your vehicle if you're going camping, or if you're going to a football game, soccer game or something, and you wanna have a little table to set your blue cans on, or set whatever you wanna set on it. That'd be the way to go, and I like it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a link down in the description to where, if you're interested in getting one, I'll point you in the direction if you wanna check it out. Again, it's a really nice little table. I'm gonna say on a scale of 1 to 10, it's gonna be about at least a 9.8, at least. So again, I hope everybody's having a good Sunday, and I hope everybody stays safe today amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Six channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm doing product reviews every now and then. That being said, you know it's coming, Dan Referee, sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. Be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.